What's going on, YouTube? Um, I know I've not made a video in a minute, so this is going to be my 1 week video for now. Piece of it anyway. I'm cleaning the shop up. Okay. I got everything cleaned up, pretty much so far. I got some other things to clean up. I'm gonna put this bike back together. Put this wheel back in this bike this coming week. I'm gonna put that on video as it all happens. Okay, and how I do that. If anybody's wondering, the bearing come apart and the outer race is stuck in the rim. So I've got to do a little work to that. So I can put another bearing in it. Get this bike back up on its wheels. If anybody's wondering, my others are over here. My black mongoose and my white one. Yeah, that's it for now. I'm just trying to get everything cleaned up. That's about it. I've got a lot of work to do today for some people. I got a buddy of mine that needs his motor put back together. It's in his truck, which I gotta go do sometime today. And then I've got to go pick up a windy unit. So that's why I made this here trailer. Hold on a second, I'll go get it. Okay, here's the trailer. Fully foldable, collapsible, quick release wheels. It was a kiddie trailer that you'd take and you'd go buy to pull your kids in a trailer behind you when you're pedaling around the block. If your parents, you got little ones, like toddlers, things of that nature. What I done is I had that old coffee top table. A few of you people have seen in my videos. This is it. What I've done is I just drilled me some holes in the aluminum frame. It is aluminum frame. And I took these bolts here, like the rear end bolts that come with these kits, and the lock nuts. And I just drilled and countersunk the bolts into wood. It is real wood. I did that yesterday so I can haul anything that I want, whether it be my tools, a welder, you know what I mean. You could haul my toolbox and my welder all at the same time and go down the road if I needed to, go repair somebody's bike. So that's about it, guys. Just trying to get things straight, that's all. Have a good one.